In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of your content in Hubspot. Changing a page URL might sound a bit technical, but it's actually a straightforward process once you know where everything lives inside Hubspot. This is really useful when you've updated the focus of a page, you're improving your search engine optimization, or you just want cleaner, more user-friendly links. First, log into your Hubspot account and head to your main navigation. At the top, look for the Content section. When you hover over that, you'll see options like website pages and landing pages. Choose the one that applies to the page you want to edit. If you're working on a regular website page, click Website Pages. If it's a campaign or offer-specific page, choose Landing Pages instead. The process is the same in both areas. Once you're on the list of pages, find the specific page whose URL you want to change. You can use the search bar or filter options if you have a lot of pages. When you see it in the list, hover your mouse over that row. You'll see an Edit option appear. Click Edit to open the page editor. Inside the page editor, look along the top for the Settings tab. By default, HubSpot might open the Content tab first, which is where you edit text and modules. For the URL, we need Settings. Go ahead and click on that. In the Settings area, scroll until you see the Page URL section. This is where HubSpot controls how your link appears. Next to the current URL, you'll see a small pencil icon. That icon means you can edit it. Click the pencil, and HubSpot will allow you to change the content slug. The slug is the part of the URL that comes after your main domain. For example, in yourwebsite.com/pricing, the word pricing is the slug. When you edit this slug, keep it short, descriptive, and easy to read. Avoid special characters and keep words separated by hyphens if you need multiple words. This helps both visitors and search engines understand what the page is about. After you've typed in your new slug and you're happy with it, it's time to save your changes. Look to the top right of the screen and click either Update or Publish, depending on whether the page is already live or still being worked on. Once you do that, your new URL will be active, and your page will now be available at the updated address.